I'm about to give it to you real quick, so I would love for you guys to all pay attention to what I'm about to say. I'm about to give it to you real quick, and I would love for you guys to pay attention to what I am about to say. Clearly, as you can see, you see Homer Simpson's fat behind sitting there laying there with donuts, sleep. It's primarily what he does majority of the day. A lot of you guys are Homer Simpson. You represent the traits of a Homer Simpson based off of this picture that you are looking at right now. You invest in opportunities month in, month out, or you don't invest in nothing, okay, and you make excuses as to why you don't. Or you find opportunities that is 100% free. All you have to do is pick up a phone, make contacts, okay, and you still make excuses. This doesn't work because that. How can you mess up something that's free? Not just for you, but to the person you're offering it to. It doesn't make any sense. Now, why am I making this video? I got up this morning and, I was sifting through, my back office, and I was looking at all my emails, and I was just really excited about not just sales, but I was excited about, the emails that I was getting. And I got one email, and this woman said, she had some pretty, serious language in this email, but she said, Anthony, thank you so much. I'm so honored that you helped me get involved in this business, and you helped me out. Every time I emailed you, you sent me an email back, and you are the one that kicked me right in the, ASS, but kicked me right in the butt, got me up off my couch, and show me a way to where I can, help me, make an income for myself. I've been lazy, and she goes into talk about how, she's been lazy. She's been making so many excuses because of what she was dealt with years before. She got with a company that a lot of you guys are currently with. I'm not going to say the name because some people have great success, some people don't. Okay. But she said she got with the company and it just wasn't something that she thought it was. Okay. And she got really frustrated because she was more focused on building teams, but the people that she was building the teams with, the people that she was trying to build partnerships with wasn't working. They wasn't doing anything. They was just kind of just wanting this person to do wanting her to do all the work, and she got pretty pissed off about it, and she kind of had a bad rep, with that company because of, the lack of, I guess, work that was being put forth to the people that she was bringing in. So she kind of felt kind of upset about that. And she said, when she had contacted me about a particular opportunity, two of which she had contacted me about, I gave her a real blunt and straightforward approach as to how she can get things done, and not no cookie cutter fake, approach that does not work, right? So fast forward to 4 months, she has been able to not only create a life for herself, but to go in and have the courage to tell her old coworkers about that particular opportunity, as into now, them putting some extra money in their pockets, and then having them getting in contact with her and congratulating her for getting them involved. And I love to hear stories about that, but really what stuck out to me was the fact that she said, I kicked her in the butt, basically. Like, I gave it to her real, and I gave it to her honestly, telling her what it is and what it's not, and, telling her straight up, like, stop making excuses, stop holding on to the past. We all had failures in our past. We all made the wrong decision, okay? We've all done this before. This is not, something that we as people are not used to. We're used to falling, okay? But it only matters if we stay there. If we stay on that ground, then nothing's going to happen. But if we can look up, we can get up, period, So I was giving it to her real in that email. It was crazy how real I was giving it to her. And she really respected what I said, and she said that she was honored that, I was there to mentor her. And now she mentors others, and she's really excited about that. And I'm more excited about the fact that she now has found her calling. She found her calling and she's getting into other opportunities, and she feels more accomplished now because now she can say that she was successful in another opportunity, and now she can bring forth, what she's done from that other opportunity into her new opportunity, and she can build trust, like, and know how with other people and whatnot. But guys, I get very honest with people because this is what we need. We don't need marketers coming up here on YouTube talking all this crap about you don't need to do this and you don't need to do that, but you make all this money. That is the biggest lie that can ever possibly be told, guys. Don't think just because you invested into one opportunity, okay, that you are going to become rich in like 6 months to 12 months. It is not going to happen, especially if you're only getting $5 or a couple $100 commissions. Just to be real, okay? There are people that hit it out of the park where they make, over $100,000 in 6 months with a business opportunity, but they've already had success in another opportunity, or they are somebody that does not mind plugging money into driving traffic every single week, okay? They trust the process. That's the difference from a lot of people. There are a significant amount of people online, okay, that have made hundreds of thousands of dollars within the last couple of months, just in 2018 alone, going into the 5th month, also going in close to the 6th month already, and they're already making enough money that can, make your yearly salary look like nothing. But the difference is between them and you is the fact that they have not only invested, but they understood that this is a business, which is a process. Okay? Business opportunities is just another word for hard work. If you're not willing to put in hard work, then go somewhere else. That's just the truth, the blunt truth. If you're not willing to put in work, don't get in contact with nobody like me. Don't get in contact with nobody like nobody else that's online doing this, okay? I'm here to tell you. I've picked up phones, I've made email campaigns, ringless voicemail campaigns, SMS campaigns, advertising, so many different things, online, videos, ad posting, whatever, okay? Been there, done that, the whole 9 yards. I've been doing it. I know it works, I know it doesn't work, but my thing is this. Don't waste nobody's time. Please don't do that because you're wasting everybody's time. If you're not trying to invest, if you're not trying to get things going, if you're not trying to get set up, if you're just trying to just sit around and let somebody else do all the work, this is not for you, because there is not one business opportunity that you think that you can just walk on in and just make one investment, make one video, and think that you're going to get 10 sales out of that one video. This is not how this works, guys. This is not how this works. How do you think people get online and they're making, $20, $30, $40,000? You know what happened? They invested into a bigger ticket opportunity to where they make $6,000 to sell. They got into an opportunity to where they make $3,000 to sell, or they're making $1,750 a sale, and they're only bringing in about 7 to 8 sales, but they're still making over $10,000, $12,000 a month. Okay, they are marketing. They're doing the work that's involved to get things done. I don't care if there's an automated system. I don't care if you're using autoresponders to get things done. I don't care if you have the best landing page there is. I don't care if you have 10 million subscribers. I don't care what it is that a company says that all you have to do is this, and sales will start coming in. No, this is not how this works, guys. Especially if you are a newbie, you are a beginner, you don't understand this field, you don't know. I'm here to tell you straight up from the jump. It is not like that on the other side. You are going to have to put up cash to get to where you need to be. There is not going to be no opportunity out here that's going to be always 100% free to where you think you will make all this money. No. There are opportunities that I have presented to you, as into which you don't have to put up no money, but you do have to put up more work. There's no automated systems here and there, nothing, just straight phone work. Call the business, pique their interest, see if they're interested, send out applications, okay, collect emails, stuff like that, okay? Now, it sounds easy just like how I said it, but when you go through 110 calls and you didn't get nobody, are you going to keep going? Are you going to set goals for yourself, quotas for yourself? What are you going to do? Some of you guys don't need training. Some of you guys just need to put in work. If I tell you, this is what you need to do, this is how you need to do it, this is how you need to say it, this is what you need to get done to get things to where you need to be, then do it. Don't question it. Do it. I don't mind answering questions, but I've done it and it worked. So do it. Sometimes people just need to be doers. You talk too much. You need to shut up and you need to go ahead and do the work. This is a real video right here. I posted a lot of different type of real videos, but this is on a different tip. People make too many excuses these days, and then they wonder why they broke. They wonder why around when Thanksgiving time come around, they ain't got as much food on the table as they wanted. They wonder why when Christmas time come around, they can't get the stuff they need for their kids. They wonder why bills is piling up. They wonder why they don't want to tell their son or daughter how they gonna pay for their college tuition. They are wondering why, oh man, you know what, things ain't working out, I gotta go get a job. When you could have put in the work for 2 full months and you could have had at least $20,000 or $30,000 in your pocket for just picking up a phone. And yet, people still, to this day, want to make excuses. I don't care if a marketer come up here online and they say over 200,000 people every day is looking for an alternative income solution or to make money from home. It's up to you to market your opportunity to those specific people that are looking for that particular opportunity. If you don't do no work, you are not going to get nothing. Understand that. Understand where you are right now. If every month you're dreading that electric bill, you're dreading that water bill, you're dreading that gas bill, you got to pay your internet and your phone bill, you got to pay the cable, you got to pay all of that. The mortgage, the property tax, the car notes, all of this stuff, insurance here, insurance there. You got all these bills piling up, and yet you still want to sit around and watch us talk about how we making money. A lot of us want to teach you how to make the money, but yet you just want to sit around and look at us. I don't want you to look at me. I could talk all day. Y'all know this. Y'all know this. But I'm giving it to you real, straight, just straight up from the jump. You guys need to understand. Understand, guys. The more you keep looking around, the more you keep watching, the more you keep putting yourself on the standstill, okay, the more excuses you keep making, the more complaints you keep on just barking on out there, the less amount of money you're going to have. And you're going to become a very bitter person. And you're going to go and live throughout life being upset about life. Because you're going to see people coming up here, getting into these opportunities year in and year out, and they're going to start making a lot of money, and then you're just going to be looking at them. You could have took advantage of a free opportunity, got about $1,200, invested into an opportunity, and invest into your marketing. Go through the process and the steps, and within the first week or two, you could have saw some income coming into your pocket, slowly but surely. It could have been $200, $500, something, right? You could have saved that, took half of that, okay, took $100, drive that traffic, made a couple videos, made a couple phone calls, did some email follow-ups, really basic stuff, okay, and you could have got some money in your pocket, okay, growing. But no, everybody wants this to work. They're like, oh, well, I don't have the skills. You don't have to have the skills. We got technology, advanced technology that can get the word out there, but the thing is, you have to pay for it. Are you going to come out of your pocket for it? No. So if you don't come out of your pocket for it, what makes you think you're going to make any type of money in this online industry? Period. It takes money to make money, and if somebody says it don't, they're lying to you. It's the truth. And I'm talking about stuff that you have to invest in. That's what I'm talking about. Business opportunities are where you can make money, real money. Not that chump change. Real money. Like I said, there are free opportunities to where you can make $400 a pop, but it takes a whole lot more work. If you're not a prospector, you're not somebody that's drilling those phones, then that's not something that you need to be getting yourself into. It's a lot of money to where you gotta pick up the phone. You can make 10K the first 3 weeks with an opportunity to where you pick up the phone. But a lot of you guys not geared that way. I apologize. You know, y'all not built like that. I apologize. Y'all looking for the easy way out. I apologize. I get it. When you have success coaches, when you have things that's automated, when you have ways of marketing, when you have lists that's provided to you that are looking for what you have to offer, there should not be no excuse why you broke. It shouldn't be. Because everybody want to make excuses. The time is now to stop making excuses. The time is now to pick your jaw up off the ground. The time is now to get your fat behind off the couch. The time is now to stop making excuses and get yourself together. How many times do people got to come up here and drill it in your face? We shouldn't have to do that all the time. The time is now. Stop playing games.